Fix Instagram sharing list not in order, 2025. Have you noticed that your Instagram sharing list, the list of people you share stories or posts with, is completely out of order? Here's how to fix that in 2025. Reason 1. Instagram changed sorting algorithm. Instagram often updates how it sorts your sharing list. Previously, it used to be based on who you interacted with the most. Now it might show most recent interactions, suggested contacts, or even random arrangement due to app bugs. Fix 1. Clear cache. Start by clearing the app cache. If you're using Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear cache. On iPhone, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app to clear cache. Fix 2. Log out and log back in. Sometimes a quick log out and log in refreshes your contact list sorting. Go to your profile, tap the 3 lines, Settings and Privacy, Log Out. Fix 3. Update the app. Outdated versions of Instagram may not support the current